In today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 best drones under $100 in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about these drones, you can check out the description below. If you'd like to win one of these products, make sure you watch the whole video, click the like button, and comment the hidden word found in this video. At number 5, it's the Force1 UFO 3000. The Force1 UFO 3000 is one of the better drones in the market thanks to its captivating looks that, as the name implies, looks like a spaceship, and it's one of the best looking drones on the market. It's also an excellent drone for kids thanks to its ease of use, LED lights, and its fun factor. On top of that, it delivers excellent features to its affordable price, making it a very compelling drone. First off, I want to praise the excellent design of the Force1 UFO 3000. This drone sports a super modern body that's streamlined and refined to make it move quicker than most drones in its price range. What makes this drone more attractive is its ultra-bright LED lights on its prop guards that shine bright green and blue lights, and it makes the drone visible at night, and some users have reported that you can take breathtaking long exposure shots thanks to this feature. During my testing, it revealed to be true, and with time I could draw words using the long exposure on my camera. The drone comes with a super useful and convenient remote transmitter that offered excellent controls. From the controller, you can use all of its features, like the 2 speed modes, low and high, 1-button takeoff and landing, headless mode, and from there you can also perform amazing tricks like the 360-degree flip. I found this drone appropriate for indoors in low power mode and for outdoors in high power mode. Inside its package, there are also 2 3.7-volt lithium batteries, and each has 10 minutes of flight time and take about an hour to charge. A USB charging cable, spare propeller blades, and a user manual explains the drone's every function. For its listed price, the Force1 UFO 3000 delivered excellent flight and stability even in windy conditions. However, I would not recommend flying it in the wind as a beginner due to its light weight. All things considered, this drone doesn't have any weak points and it'll keep you satisfied. At number 4, it's the Holy Stone HS-170. The Chinese drone company Holy Stone has produced some extremely capable drones in recent years, and all of them have been very popular and fan favourites. Despite being the cheapest in their lineup, the Holy Stone HS-170 is their most popular drone and also the highest rated on Amazon, as most beginners have opted to start with this due to its recommendations. It comes with a nice set of features, good flight time, and ease of use. The Holy Stone HS-170 is a compact and lightweight drone sporting a bright cobalt finish around its body and frame, and on the middle of its main body you'll locate the Holy Stone logo. This drone has excellent shot-proof curved legs that absorb the majority of impacts, and on top of that, it sports prop guards for even more protection. The protection aspect is especially important for beginners that tend to crash the drone in their learning process, resulting in a very durable machine. I can comfortably say that the Holy Stone HS-170 is one of the easiest drones to learn to fly. An absolute beginner can easily fly this drone without any prior experience. Due to its small size, you can easily fly it from the palm of your hand, and you can fly it out of there without any concern. The drone also comes equipped with 3 speed modes that allow for a beginner to learn to operate a drone appropriately with the low speed setting, and then progress to higher settings. Despite being the cheapest drone on this list, the Holy Stone HS-170 provides a comfortable 8 minutes of flight time, and if you wish to double your fun, I would suggest you invest in an extra battery. Also, it's worth stating that the battery takes about 60 minutes to charge. The Holy Stone HS-170 comes with a nice set of features such as the headless mode and altitude hold function, which are perfect for every pilot regardless of skill level. Other than that, it features 1-button takeoff and landing, and it can perform 360-degree flips. For that price, these features are exceptional. At number 3, it's the Syma X5. You can choose whichever option on this list regarding your drone and you'd still have a blast. However, if you want the most durable drone built from the most rugged materials, then you definitely should try the Syma X5. It's very easy to fly and it has plenty of availability for spare parts from the manufacturer. Considering its price, there's virtually no caveat for this excellent drone. First off, I want to talk about the exceptional build quality of the Syma X5. It has a pretty bulky body, a wide and thick construction that looks like it carries a lot of weight, but to everyone's surprise, the drone was light and very maneuverable in the air. Furthermore, this drone features a great pair of landing skids, that protect your drone from getting damaged from rough landings, which will happen. On top of that, it has landing gear on the sides of each propeller and the excellent prop guards. Overall, I can comfortably say that the manufacturer has put effort into making this drone as durable as it can be. Thanks to the 6-axis gyro direction stabilizer, the Syma X5 is one of the easiest drones to fly. It keeps the drone balanced in the air and its body keeps it stable even in windy conditions. The controller provides you with one of the best flying experiences you can get, and you won't have a big learning curve as it's very intuitive, and with a 100-meter range you won't have to worry about losing it. The flight time of this drone is about 8 minutes in total, but it was a little disappointing considering the 500 mAh battery. Plus, it takes about 100 minutes to charge from drained, but if you take the price into consideration, it's still pretty good. If you want a drone for your children, or a drone that you know you'll crash often and don't want to tinker around with repairs, this affordable Syma is perfect for you. At number 2, it's the Eachine E58. Those new to this hobby probably aren't aware of the excellent Eocene A58. That's what I would call a compact, foldable, radio-controlled pocket drone. It sports a cool design, one of the best cameras in this category, and it also comes in at under $100. On top of that, the Eachine E58 is perfect for every skill level due to its speed levels that let you ease into the hobby, and as you gain confidence, you can use its higher speeds. The Eachine E58 comes in a nice package containing the drone itself, the transmitter, a battery, a micro USB charging cable, prop guards, spare blades, a small screwdriver for assembly, and the user manual that provides excellent information. Simply everything you need to get started. Like I said earlier, the Eachine E58 is a pocket drone, small and compact that can fit in your cargo pants and jacket pockets with ease. Despite being very lightweight, it feels solid and sturdy, unlike other drones that are pocketable that tend to get damaged after their first uses. You can easily throw this drone in your backpack without worrying about any issues. In this price range and size, generally drones have either very lackluster cameras or not at all. Fortunately, the Eachine E58 is equipped with a 2-megapixel sensor and can capture video at 720p with 30 frames per second. Additionally, the camera can also be pivoted horizontally from 0 to 90 degrees to give you amazing shooting opportunities. Design and aesthetics-wise, I'm very impressed with this drone because it rocks a high-end premium look. It has a subtle and simplistic construction and paint job while still looking futuristic. The drone features a remote control that's extremely intuitive and of good quality. With its altitude hold ability and 3 speed settings that provide 30%, 60% and 100% of the power, you'll get the most out of this drone. I would recommend the lowest setting for beginners so you get the hang of the controls and speed without being overwhelmed. And at the highest speed, even the most experienced flyers will have tons of fun. And at number 1, it's the Telo quadcopter. DJI has always manufactured and designed one of the best drones in the market. One of their best drones is the Telo quadcopter, priced at under $100, but without any compromise on the quality. The Telo quadcopter features a decent flight time, amazing camera, amazing ease of use and durability, and it's appropriate and will provide ample fun for all skill levels, regardless of whether you're an absolute beginner or an experienced pilot. I was amazed to see that even a non-experienced beginner pilot will gain lots of confidence with a Telo quadcopter. It's controllable via the smartphone app or the separately sold remote control. However, it provides plenty of fun for experienced flyers as well, which was a major advantage. In this price range, most of the drones provide a very lackluster battery life, but in this case, the Telo delivers 13 minutes of flight time. This is crucial for a beginner because 6 minutes of flight time in most drones will ruin the experience for inexperienced flyers. This drone sports an amazing 5-megapixel camera with an 82.6-degree field of view. On top of that, it's capable of recording 720p footage at 30 frames per second. Moreover, it's equipped with a 14-core Intel CPU that delivers excellent video and stability. To further enhance that aspect, it employs an electronic image stabilization for decreased blur and increased motion picture. I was particularly impressed with the pressure sensor that held altitude and provided amazing shooting opportunities without having to focus on flying the drone. The pressure sensor is also responsible for calculations about the drone's altitude during the flight and in turn will provide you accurate and precise parameters and information about it. It's extremely easy to use with its one-touch takeoff and landing features, one of my favorite features for beginners, and it gives you alerts when the battery is running low and the drone is getting out of range. You don't have to be worried though, because the drone will land itself safely if either of the scenarios happens. The Telo quadcopter has proven itself time and time again. With its features and durability, it's one of the best drones in the market, regardless of the price. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.